Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about Mpaisa withdrawal. How can one withdraw from this platform known as Mpaisa, as you can see here on your screen? Okay, recently I made a review video in regards to this platform, and some people were asking me, boss, you didn't show how to withdraw on the review video I made. But that video was specifically for review. It was a review purpose video, so that it revealed to you guys whether it is a legitimate one or a scam one. That was the purpose of the review video, which I released earlier. And then this video is how do you withdraw if you have accumulated coins on this platform. How can you withdraw or redeem it to your account? In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you guys step by step on how you can get that done seamlessly. Okay, but before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I know, this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on daily basis on this my channel. For you not to miss out any of my latest update, all you need to do is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos like this. Then at the end of this video, if you're not in any of my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, I'll be leaving my Telegram group link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to join us there for more business tips, more money making ideas, more business updates on daily basis. I share that in my Telegram group. You can join us using the link in the comment section below. Okay, so in this video, before I proceed, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational purpose only and not a financial advice, as the result may vary based on how you use Mpaisa platform. I always tell people that before you use any platform, the first thing you need to do is to make research and always know the reason or the purpose you are using any platform. This is very essential to everyone watching this video. Always make your own research before using any platform. Okay, now what is this platform known as Mpaisa all about? Before I proceed to show you guys how to place withdrawal, I will briefly talk about it, what is basically all about, for the purpose of those hearing about Mpaisa for the first time. So Mpaisa platform is a multi-purpose platform where one can play games to entertain himself, or where one can play game for the purpose of getting reward, and those reward are recorded as coins. And after those coins has been recorded or added to your account, how now can you withdraw it? That is what we are going to be discussing in this video tutorial. Okay, now to place your withdrawal is very simple. First, you need to have Binance account, working Binance account. And then when you have your Binance account ready, you can see the option of redeem. Click on redeem. So when you click on redeem, they have multiple payout option, but the one we'll be using, I'm personally using, is Binance, and that is what I'll be showing you guys in this video tutorial. So to place your withdrawal, the requirement you need to meet is that you need to have the minimum of 400 coins. So how do you withdraw it? When you have clicked on redeem, you can see the option of Binance USDT. Click on Binance USDT. When you click on Binance USDT, you can see the coin balance here. This one is 500 coins, 1000 coins, 2500 coins. So it is you that will choose the amount of coin you want to withdraw according to your own personal balance. Then if it is, let's say I want to withdraw 1000 coins, you will just tap on 1000 coins or 500 coins. So you tap on it. Then when you tap on it, it is going to bring you the option where it will ask you to put in your Binance email. That is where people get it confused, and that is where I have been receiving this question. People are asking me, this place they write Binance email, what are we going to put here? All right. And if they are to pay, how are they going to pay? Okay, if we are using Binance Exchange, you will know that there are several ways by which you can receive crypto on Binance Exchange. How can you receive crypto? You can receive crypto either by your USDT address, or either by your Binance email, or either by your Binance UID. That's your own unique ID. And then now this platform, they don't ask for UID. What they are asking for is email. That is how can you use it here now. So you know the email you sign up with on your Binance account, that is the email they are asking you to provide to place your withdrawal. Then when you put the email here, you will then click on the option of confirm. So when you click on the option of confirmed, then you now you click next, and then you click on option of confirm, then wait for 24 hours to 48 hours for your payment to reflect on your account. According to my own personal experiences, that is how to withdraw on this platform, and that is how the withdrawals function on this platform. So if you have been playing games on or using Mpaisa platform and you don't know how to withdraw, this is how to place your withdrawal correctly on Mpaisa platform. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. If you have another question, feel free to comment below, and then don't forget there is love in sharing. As I've shared this video with you, also share it with friends and family. And then if you want to try Mpaisa platform, I'll be leaving my own personal referral link in the comment section of this video. You can also use it to try it out yourself. Thank you. I remain Sparky.